All right, guys, today on Hughes Garage, gonna be installing the Lasfit floor liners. Pretty good brand. I've used them in a couple other vehicles before. We're gonna get them unboxed and check them out. All right, they come in this cardboard box. You pull them out, they'll be in a bag. What I do is I lay these out flat, give it a couple hours in the sun, let them get a little warm, then you can put them in the truck. All right, once you've given them time to warm up and kind of get back to normal shape, you can read your manual. All the good information there. Now let's get these things installed. First things first, you want to take out your old mats. Try to fold them up, that way dirt won't get back in there. On the floor, over here, take the back ones out. You don't need them anymore. Do the same on the other side. Once you got everything out, go ahead and vacuum. My truck's already pretty clean. A couple little spots right here, nothing major. But if it's been a while, you're gonna want to vacuum everything up, get it looking good. All right, you're gonna get your driver's side. Put them in, line up the buttons. Man, they fit great. All right, move on to the next one. Here's what the passenger side looks like. Mine doesn't have the little spots that press down, but they're in this anyways, so don't know why. But anyways, they're there and it fits good. As you can see, my truck has the fold flat storage in the back. So when you go to order these, you need to be specific on which one you have. If you don't have it, then you'll get like a bigger mat that goes up under there. If not, with the fold flat storage, you'll have the one that kind of goes around. Mine are a little wavy. They just need more time to get hot. I'm probably gonna sit like a couple boxes on this to kind of help keep it flat and kind of, that way it'll fully contour to the floor of the truck. Other than that though, they fit really good. They look really good. Back to the front. Front fits really good too. Passenger. Overall, they're good quality. I like how they're different from the other ones. Usually you get like the little bubble logo here. This one's they actually changed it up a little bit. Looks pretty nice. Overall, great product. I'll give you all a long-term review and see how it holds up. But for now, they're great.